Bonjour and welcome everyone. Today we will learn how to say correctly the name of this very famous French Provençal dish of stewed vegetable originating in Nice and sometimes referred to as ratatouille niçoise. But French will just say ratatouille. So how do you pronounce it correctly step by step? First, you have to know how to pronounce the R like a French. So, ratatouille, ratatouille, ratatouille. Did you know that the word ratatouille derives from the Occitan ratatola and is related to the French ratouiller and tatouiller, expressive form of the verb touiller, to stir up. So that's the meaning behind ratatouille, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel to support my work. You can also watch more videos about food pronunciation just right there. À bientôt, salut.